Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Build Spaces Unofficial. If you like our videos, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about the shelter wheel bolts. The Bonus shelter wheel bolt adopts a two-piece design. Shell part uses high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6, which has many excellent characteristics. The shells have two styles of high and short shells. The high shell is 55mm and the short shell is 38mm. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. What is the difference between the Bonus wheel bolts and others? Bonus wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolt. The 12 petals shaped on the top are battened by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hot alloy steel SCM440, which further reflects Bonus super forging process. While the Bonus shelter wheel bolts is your best choice. Safety is always the function and promise of all Bonus designs. Beauty and safety are the most attractive feature of wheel bolts. Not only are there 8 colors, but there are also 8 to choose from, making the appearance of wheels not only more outstanding but also safe. Installing shelter wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. If you want to get the Bonus shelter wheel bolts, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!